Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, this morning I want to show you another perfect strategy that can help you to trade your boom and crash on phone. So guys, let me explain to you how this strategy works. As you can see here, I have my indicator set up inside this channel, inside this my chart. And also guys, I want to use this information to tell you guys that I do offer a signal which I always drop on my group. So you can join my group in the description of the video so that you can learn more on how to receive this signal on daily basis. So guys, let me show you how this indicator works, how this strategy works, so that you also can apply what you want to do on your phone. So you can see now we have our strategy set up on this our window one, which is what we are going to be using. So anytime we have our two moving average and our zigzag that go below the 20 level, that is when our strategy is right to take. As what you can see here, that immediately we have our moving average move below the 20 level, which is the moving average of 20, and our zigzag also move below the 20 level. You can see that it's move on a uptrend, and as the same thing is also coming to another back test. You can see what is happening here. So immediately they all move below the 20 level, we are going to see another spike, and that is exactly what is happening here. So you can check back, and also you can use this strategy to catch up your trade on a downtrend. You can use it to scrap down the market. The only thing you just need to wait for is you have to wait for your moving average to show together with your zigzag on a above 80 level. So once you can see everything in above 80 level, then you can easily enter your trade at this particular level, and by doing that you'll be having your trade around this level. You are going to be having your trade around this level. You can see that, so you can easily scalp down the market on a downtrend. So that is how this strategy works. So I'm going to show you guys the setup of this strategy. You can see the same thing happen here, also the same thing happen here, but we have only one moving average that's go along with our zigzags at this level, and that's why we have our downtrend at this level. And same thing also happen here, where we have our this same thing. You can see what happened here. So that is exactly what we are doing, what I'm going to explain to you guys today. So we can see another powerful one here too. You can see at this particular range it move on a uptrend. So you can use this to catch up your daily trade on trading boom and crash daily. So let me show you guys. You can see there's another spike now, because it's going to be forming this particular level. It's going to be forming at this particular level. So let me show you guys the setup of this strategy so that you can also set it up on your strategy. We have our relative strength index, we have our two moving average, and we have our zigzag, which I call it zigzag. So let me show you the setup of it. We have our relative strength index, we have the period of 10, we have apply to close, and we have our level to be 20 and 80. So you can write description on it on this 80 level, that you have your selling zone. You can apply it like that, a selling zone, and we can apply our 20 level to be a buy zone. You understand? You can apply it like that. So once you do it like this, then you can go back and save it. So once you save it, it's going to apply on the screen like this. You can see we have our buy zone and we have our selling zone. You can see that we have our buy zone and we have our selling zone. So you set down with your selling zone and you buy up with your buy zone. So let me show you guys the continuation of the setup. So we have our style to be in black color, so make sure this color always in your background color. So if you are using white background color, make sure this color is in white background color. So because I'm using black background color, that's why I have it in black color, because there's going to be a 9 that will indicate on your chart. So we have a moving average of 30. The first moving average, we have a moving average of 30. We have our method to be what? To be simple. We have apply to close, and we have our color to be on the red color. So you can choose any color of your choice. You can choose any color of your choice, but I like to be for red. So that's it, and you can save it. Once you save it, then we open the second moving average. The second moving average, you can see that we have a period of 20. We have our method to be linear weight. We have our apply to close, and we have our color to be in what? In this color. So you can choose any color of your choice. Just make sure you understand the color you are choosing. So let's go to our zigzag. I call it zigzag. So we have the period of 12. We have the divisional of what? Of 5. We have our back test of 3, and we have our color to be in this color. So you can choose any color of your choice, but don't forget that this particular place involve only 2 colors. You can see the value up here is also in what? In red color, and that's why we always have our trade that anytime it spike up, you will see this particular 9 in what? In red. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can see this. You can see this is the zigzag. You can see that red is what is having is go on a downtrend, and immediately you see a spike. You see this color change to what? To blue color, and same thing happen here. Immediately there is a spike. You see what happened at this particular level. So that is what we have as a zigzag. So I believe this is going to help. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group to enjoy free signal. It is free signal, guys. So thanks.